you tell me who's this just now we discussed about her, correct? Yes, correct. Okay, so she is Dr. Maria Montessori. What is her name? Dr. Maria Montessori. So she is the one who made the beautiful materials for us to learn the numbers, concepts like big, small, thick, thin, and long and short. So we have so many materials in our classroom, correct? Red and blue rods, red rods, knobbed cylinders, and we also having the color tablets. Do you remember we will match the color tablets? Blue tablets, red tablets. So she is the one who made the beautiful materials for us. And also, do you remember what we said? We are having only one materials, correct? So what it says? It says we need to wait for the turn while working with the material, correct?
Yes, and it is her birthday today. It is 155th birthday today. And she is the one who designed this beautiful method of learning, right? What is the method of learning we are learning today? Every day? Yes, Montessori method.
Do you all remember? One day we spoke about all the senses we have. So do you know how many senses do we have?
5.
Yes, very good, Rishan. I loved it. So can we name all the senses? Yes. So what do we do with the eyes? See. We look at things whether they are looking nice, they are not looking nice. We look at the colors of the things. We can see whether the things are big or they are small. Isn't it? How do we get to know? I will say Rishan is a very tall boy. How man will get to know that Rishan is tall? By seeing at Rishan. And now I am going to say Nadia is a small girl. How will man get to know about that? Through the eyes. So what is the other sense we spoke about that day?